roller coaster where you ride the wave and you feel the rush. Then you slow down a little bit, and you ride the wave and feel the rush.